Making candied peels has gotten a bit of a bad rep.
Candied citrus peel. Now, this stuff is a huge pain in the ass to make.
It's actually really fun. The trick is to minimize the work involved. Chop up thin strips of peel about 2 inches long. Leave the white part, no need to trim it off. Simmer your peels in 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. Let it bubble until it's 242 degrees Fahrenheit-ish. Dump the warm peels minus the syrup into some sugar and stir. For some extra zing, add some citric acid, totally optional. Let them touch while they cool, no need to keep them separated. They firm up, mix them into your trail mix or share them straight up with a friend. Not if you like them.